Welcome to DeFi Crypto. Ghost here. Today I'll be going over how you can become a millionaire on actual crypto. And starting with investing $0, you can actually grow your portfolio to a sizable amount by dollar cost averaging, and you would have a higher potential to be able to see $1 million in your portfolio over time. Now, if you was an investor early in Bitcoin and you were buying Bitcoin around roughly $100 to $200 and you had just $2,000 invested at its all-time high, you would be a millionaire. Also, the same thing with Ethereum. You would be a millionaire if you bought in $2,000 worth and you waited till it went to its all-time high from 2015 all the way until now. You would be a millionaire. Next up, we have Shiba Inu. If you was a buyer of Shiba Inu around February of 2021 and you held Shiba Inu from that point all the way into November of 21, which is the same year, you will be a multi-millionaire even if you only spent $200, which is very low risk, super high reward. Now, only thing is actually watching all of that profit go into your actual portfolio and then move around as it's going up and down. You would definitely have some anxiety of seeing those big numbers fluctuate very sporadic, but that's very low risk that you would have invested and had a very high chance to see a lot of reward. Switching over to sand, if you bought actually $1,000 of sand at the price that it was at, which was something like potentially, I would say 6 cents. If you bought in at 6 cents of sand and you let it run up all the way to $8 and you was holding, that would be a great time to sell for someone who was looking to make profits. You would wind up making millions, but that's not to try to actually watch a chart actually pump and then the investors actually dump. You should always take profits as you're making profits. That way you can at least pay yourself back from putting on risk. This way you can go from zero invested into the market to getting assets in the market as a digital asset and holding it over time and watching the project grow with the market, and you will most likely see from solid projects good profit being made and also the actual project growing as a whole. And I would imagine 10 years from now, me personally, I would say Bitcoin will be at a higher price 10 years from now, because in the amount of time that it has been around, it has been moving up. When you zoom out on the actual chart, like we are zoomed out right now, it has moved up and to the right. In the link in the description below this video, they have a link to Coinbase where you can set up a Coinbase account and get $10 free Bitcoin if you click that link below and sign up if you are not connected to Coinbase. And also that would actually help the channel from you signing up through that link. It's Ghost and I'm out. Peace.